Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how you can turn off two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. So for that we need to open our Facebook account, and after opening our Facebook account you will see your logo from the bottom right corner. As you can see, this is my logo. Tap here once, and from here we need to swipe down and we need to tap this settings and privacy. After that this will pop up. From here we need to tap again settings, and as you can see from here we can customize different things on your account, but we need to tap on this option called see more in account center, and from here we need to tap here password and security. Now as you can see it says two-factor authentication. Tap here once and choose your account. I will choose this account. It may ask you to type your password. You just need to type the password, and then from here as you can see it says my authentication app. Tap here once. Now from here you need to just disable this button. So if you have authentication app, just tap here and disable this button, or if you have SMS, then tap here and then disable the option. So yeah, I don't have text message right now, so I just have this authentication app. So yeah, if you have text message enabled, you need to just disable it.